How to fix missing product description block on product page in Shopify. So is your product description filled out in the backend but completely invisible on your live store? So this is one of the most common issues after a theme update. Your data isn't gone, the container for it just isn't in your layouts. Today I'm showing you how to restore the description block and the eye icon fix to make sure your customers can actually read about what they're buying. Let's get that info back. Right, and of course, without further ado, we jump into the online store and the editor right away. So just go and choose your theme. I will choose Dawn and then press on Edit. Right, and then after that, the navigation, you can just use the top drop-down menu right here and select Products and Default Product, like this. And the ad, you can look at the left-hand sidebar under the product information right here. And if you don't see description listed, click Add a Block. In my case, I have description. If not, just add a block and you can add it right away. Right, and then select description from the list. Once you have it, it usually pops up at the very bottom. So just click and drag it back up under your price or your buy buttons where it belongs. So for example, I will drag it right here, right under the price. There you go. Right, if the block is there but still not showing, check these two things. Firstly, the eye icon. So as you can see, there's an eye. So we just hover over the description block in the sidebar. If the eye icon has a slash through it, it's hidden. So just click it to toggle visibility back to on. So if it's, as you can see, crossed off, click on it once and now it's appearing. And also some themes have a setting to hide descriptions in quick add. So you can just click on the description block and make sure the box for show in featured product is checked. If you've recently added custom code, ensure you haven't accidentally set a display none style in your base.css file. Right, so don't forget the steps. We just use the theme editor to manually re-add if of course it's missing the description block. Check the visibility toggles and to verify that the block position is properly set to ensure it was in a readable spot. And if they can't read it, they won't buy it. If this guide helped you fix your product pages, don't forget to support us, like and subscribe, guys.